Hi, I'm Anshika.
And I'm Myra.
And we both are the owners of Quelleries.
So, our products are
Sustainable
affordable.
and also stylish at the same time. We make jewelries through the art form called quilling. We use waste papers which are left from craft materials and we use them to make beautiful earrings like these. And also bracelets. Bracelets are for our younger age audience.
The bracelets are for 50 rupees, whereas the earrings are for 100 rupees. We would like everyone to purchase these as we find them really attractive.
Me and him are making fridge magnets. It's called Fridgets. Each one has a motivational quote and each one is colorful.
Oh, lovely, very beautiful.
All handmade.
It's all handmade and made 75 pieces.
Okay. How long did it take you to make 75
It
pieces?
took me 4 months.
Oh, okay. So you've been making it for a long time.
Yes, I've been working on it for a very long.
You should sell these at a higher price, right? Because the work on all of this is very fine.
Yeah.
You have very neat magnets which people would actually want to put on their fridge.
Yes.
So if you sell this for a higher price, even if you sell it for 50 rupees higher per magnet, you will have a profit of a very high value.
So what have you showed?
Bookmarks.
Oh wow.
And these bookmarks are biodegradable from natural colors and handmade and handcrafted.
And you have used
Paper, cardboard.
paper and cardboard. Okay. Is it from waste or is it fresh cardboard and paper that you
Waste.
use? It's waste.
Waste cardboard with fresh paper. Fresh paper.
Ah.
Yeah. One is for 20 rupees and there is an offer. If you buy 3, you just have to give 50.
How old are you?
9.
And I'm 8. And we are the part of
Snappy Diaries.
What is your product?
We are making diaries.
We have 2 sizes. One big and one small.
Ah.
So we bought these from the market and we customized them by our own.
Ah. Okay.
We made 21. 21.
21. And
We sold 18.
You sold 18.
Yeah, we are sold out, but these 3 for you to see.
Okay. Very nice. So how much profit do you make?
We total we earned 415. We need to give 300 to ma'am, and 77 will be mine.
Each profit.
yes.
Very good. Very good.
Name now?
The Magnet Gallery.
Magnet?
Gallery.
Gallery.
My name is Ayan.
And I am Moses. We founded this company with one motto: to bring memories back to life. In our daily basis, we click thousands of photos with our friends, with our family. We can sometimes phone get lost. Okay, phones can get lost, or photos can get deleted. Okay? We can forget about trips. Like if there is a memorable trip, you made a trip to Nepal 14 years ago, you can forget that. Okay? With this in mind, we created the Magnet Gallery. Our one goal is to create magnets, customize them according to your needs. Okay, for example, you would want a magnet as big as that, we'd get that for you. That's our goal. We want to basically, fulfill our customers'
We can
needs.
customize our magnets as per your needs. This is one of our products.
All these are handmade with the recycled resources. We made around 10 pieces. So we sold 6 of those. And our production cost was like 40 to 50 per piece. We sold them for 100 to 150, like depending on the quality.
So, hello ma'am. She's Ira and I'm Myra, and together we're known as the Candle Cafe. We sell non-scented and scented candles.
मैं एक दिवाली पार्टी में गई थी और वहाँ से मेरे को रिटर्न गिफ्ट्स मिले थे. So from that I get a return gift of candle, scented candles. So I got like an idea from that we can make candles that everyone will like it.
Before this, we were making pocket diaries, so then we decided to change to scented candles. And now that we think that there's no age gap, like in the classes that we were taught that a product needs to have like an age group. So I don't think candles don't need to have an age group. So everybody can have it. There we asked people what kind of scents they like. We got those scents, we added those colors. Our friends helped, we took their opinions and our opinions, we mixed them, and then we created so many candles. We sold a lot of them today, and in a total we got a revenue of 1537 rupees. We're satisfied, we're very happy.
So how much you spent?
On only the
total?
total we must have spent around 500 तो किया ही होगा पूरे candles पे.
And you sold around 1300, right?
Yes.
So what is the profit? 1300 minus 500? 800?
800.
800 was the profit? Right. So, okay. Great.
That we're yarn pals and we
Yes.
create homemade crochet items.
keychains.
How did you get this idea?
There was this event and I had to dress up as my favorite book character. So she has 2 hamsters. So I tried to crochet those hamsters, but her hamsters were brown and I didn't have brown, so I made them in purple. And this is how these 2 characters were born. So then people started asking me, "Oh, where did you buy it from? Oh, that's so cute. Can I buy it?" So then I got the idea. Oh, maybe I should start selling my crochet projects. So that's how Yarn Pal started.
And then I got inspired by her. And I was like, why? Because we were best friends. Like, why don't
Yeah.
we work together and just
Just try something out,
Just
you know.
try something.
Yeah.
So you want to take this business further also?
Yes.
Yeah, I think it would be really fun to try. Like, it would be a good learning experience as well.
Okay.
Especially because I think that most of us would get part-time jobs.
Yeah,
someday.
so
we would really have.
I feel like it would support us in the long run as well.
How will you expand your business?
Well, we were thinking that we could go online, and if there are any like stalls like here, we would take the opportunity to sell it in person as well. But I feel like mostly we're going to do it online.
Okay. Online. Okay. So how many people you are working? So you only.
It's only us 2.
Okay. So how many products can you make in one day?
In one day, I feel like I would
It
make
depends on the size.
Yeah, it depends on the
So
size actually.
This is the size you're working on. Or you can make a bigger size also, just like your cap.
Yeah, so this one actually took me a couple weeks. It was one of my first
this
crochet projects.
Oh wow!
I actually started crocheting just this year. So this was like my second crochet project. So it took me a lot longer than expected, but I feel like now to crochet something like this, like maybe a few days. I'm not sure.
So you want to take this business online and go it further.
Yeah.
Okay. Great. Meet me after this. I will So as a Think Startup, we work on our Grid Company website where you can list your product and sell it. Okay.
Thank you so much.
Okay. You can take this business online now, today onwards.